Hello. Welcome back to English Talk. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here with me today. On this channel, I help you practice real, everyday English slowly, clearly, and naturally. Today, we have a very exciting topic. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your plans for 2026. 2026 is coming very soon. It's only a few days away. That's why this is the perfect time to think about the future. We all have dreams, goals, and plans for the new year, right? And in English, there are many different ways to talk about future plans. Some plans are definite. Some plans are still in progress. And some plans are just dreams. Today, I'll show you how to talk about your 2026 plans like a natural English speaker. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you watch till the end, because I have a special question for you. Okay, let's get started. Let me start by sharing my own plans. 2026 is very important to me. I want to make 2026 a healthy and meaningful year. First, I'm going to focus on my health. Right now, I don't exercise regularly. Sometimes I exercise, sometimes I don't. But in 2026, I'm going to go to the gym at least 4 times a week. This is a definite plan. I already decided. I'm also planning to eat healthier, less fast food, more home-cooked meals. I know it won't be easy, but I'm determined. Healthy body, healthy mind. In 2026, I'm also planning to read more books. I'm going to try to read 24 books this year. That's 2 books every month. I enjoy fiction, especially mystery and adventure stories. But I also want to read some self-improvement books. To stay motivated, I'm planning to join a book club. I think reading regularly will help me grow as a person. I'm also hoping to travel more. I really want to visit new places. I'm hoping to travel abroad in 2026. Nothing is confirmed yet. I need to save money and check my schedule. So this is a dream for now. I'm also planning to volunteer more. I love animals. I'm planning to volunteer at a local animal shelter, maybe twice a month, mostly on weekends. Now, let's talk about how to say future plans correctly in English. We use going to for plans we already decided. For example, I'm going to exercise more. I'm going to read 24 books. We use planning to for plans we are still organizing. For example, I'm planning to join a book club. I'm planning to volunteer more. We use hoping to or want to for dreams or wishes. For example, I'm hoping to travel abroad. I want to learn a new skill. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Don't say, I planning learn English. Say, I'm planning to learn English. Don't say, I'm going to studying. Say, I'm going to study. Always use the base form of the verb. Now it's your turn. What is one plan or goal you have for 2026? Write your answer in the comments. You can start like this. I'm planning to, I'm hoping to, and if you watch till the end, type hello in the comments. Writing comments in English is great practice. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you feel more confident about talking about your future plans. In the next video, we'll learn how to talk about hobbies and interests in English. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.